If someone offered you a single penny that doubled every day for a month, would you take it? Or would you rather have $1 million up front? The answer might surprise you, and it's the perfect way to understand compound growth. That penny, doubling every single day, would actually be worth more than $5 million by day 30. Not because the penny is special, but because of what happens when growth builds on top of previous growth, over and over again. That's compound growth, and it's one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance, even though it often feels invisible in the early stages. Here's the simple version. When your money earns growth, and that growth itself starts earning growth too, the increase isn't steady, it accelerates over time. In the beginning, the numbers look small, almost unremarkable. This is the stage where most people give up, because progress feels too slow to matter. But further down the timeline, growth starts compounding on a much larger base. And that's when the numbers start moving in a way that feels dramatic, even though the process never actually changed. This is exactly why starting early matters more than starting with a large amount. Time is the ingredient that makes compound growth work. The longer your money has to grow, the more powerful that growth becomes. It also explains why consistency beats intensity. Small, steady contributions over a long period often outperform sporadic larger ones, started later. This isn't about timing the market perfectly. It's about understanding that patience and time are doing more of the work than people usually give them credit for. At NeoRiseWay, we focus on helping you understand exactly this kind of thinking. Simple, foundational ideas that actually shape long-term financial outcomes. Subscribe to NeoRiseWay for financial education and advisory guidance built around real, long-term thinking.